Mag-virtual siya. You guys should watch some games at the karaoke. See, they haven't eaten. It's gonna be late. Do you think
You want to try this?
Do you think you can get in? He can ride your motorcycle. Do you think you're not gonna flip over?
Is there a weight limit on your motorcycle? I'm 200 pounds.
That's not mabigat daw siya. Kaya na ba siya kaya?
Okay lang. It's okay.
Are you gonna be wearing that?
Sometimes.
Oh, he's just gonna vlog you how you're not able to communicate together.
Akala ko pang virtual na.
That's a camera for like sports stuff. You guys can go and watch stuff. Don't make him get beat up over there. Just
I can defend myself.
yeah.
I have a.
You just go hang out.
Mamamalo na siya.
What? What are you gonna do?
Kan yung lumapit.
What? So, do you have your money?
I have my wallet
You
here.
need something to buy food. He doesn't have money, so if you guys buying something, just buy. Let's go.
I haven't tasted though.
Ha?
Haven't tasted it.
I-close out muna natin yung so we'll take all the cash because Sarah has enough cash for funding tomorrow from the other store. We're gonna take all that cash and buy rice with it. Is that how you're gonna... That's funny. That's a funny looking thing.
Ikaw magaya ito mag-inom.
Hmm?
Ikaw magaya ito mag-inom.
He doesn't drink. I drink. He doesn't drink. Like, you guys gonna go watch some games over at Rocky? Rocky.
What is that?
It's right there behind us.
Okay.
You know where we have the league for Only Rice people?
Okay.
Yeah, so. Are you nervous? You gotta learn how to hang out with him in case you need to drive him somewhere.
Kaya
Not
nga.
nervous.
I'm not nervous. Sige, kaya mo yan. Basta yan.
You know. I wonder if they have a game over there.
Kakalaan ba?
Kaya mo yan.
Para samahan mo kami si...
Ha? Mag-invite kasi si Charm.
Mag-umpisa pa yun. Tatawa lang na tatawa.
Samahan mo kami dito pa rin.
Sino yan? Tell Mark to go with you guys. You can make new friends. Who's that? You gotta go. You're going to Roque.
Wala kami kasama dito, aalis si ma'am. Kung gusto lang makawi. Dalawa lang kami ni Boss Justin.
You gotta go. Ha? Ano daw?
Samahan mo kami dito. Ayaw mo rin sumakit yung ulo mo ah. Nakabahan ako eh.
Yan lang.
Aalis pa naman si ma'am. Hindi silang bukawi.
Hindi, sasama ko si Noela eh. Pabigat
Si
lang yan
Bibi daw
ano.
kasama niya eh. Kasi daw mabigat.
I asked her to taste it because it's a new flavor.
Try they don't know. They don't know the difference. It's not like they eat Hershey all the time.
Kunti-kunti lang. Ay, yan. Gagala ko na lang to. Bahala lang. Sa kayo punta. Pupunta kami ng bar.
You know how to speak English. You guys can manage. If you go like Hungary, just
Sige, sige.
pupunta siya.